What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can get the plate armor of Cursed Soul in Crimson Desert. This golden piece of body armor provides Cliff 8 points in defense with a level 1 movement speed boost. The Abyss gear provides 0.2 health and 0.1 spirit per second, and another level 1 bonus in movement speed. This armor is located inside the territory of Demonis, southwest of its letter D. Zoom in and it's to the northeast of the Demonisian ruins, and just at the end of this path directly below the letter D of Demonis. Go there and you'll find a cemetery. Now what you're going to do next is to find the biggest headstone. Approach it, and when you find a Palmar pill, you're at the right spot. Now move closer to the headstone and do the force palm. This will open up a secret entrance. Go down the secret tunnel and you'll find a chest inside, ready to loot. You'll find the armor in the chest. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.